Hi, I want to showcase an amazing feature we just added to OrgPad. It is now possible to insert math formulas inside your cells. If I open a cell here and I open the editor, I can type something. Let's say Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, and now when I click the green plus button, I have new option inserting math here. When I click on it, I have the empty formula inserted in the editor and I can type here. So for example, I can write a squared plus b squared is equal c squared. So in the top, you see the formula, the math formula correctly rendered, and in the bottom there is a LaTeX code, which is the standard format in which math formulas are written. So if you are familiar with it, you are ready to go. Now when I am ready with typing, I just press enter and return back to the editor. Now I can continue. Let's say I will write Fibonacci numbers, and they are defined that f of 0 is 0, and I want to insert it, but I don't want to use my mouse. I want to insert it with a keyboard shortcut. And of course it's possible. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl M or Ctrl U, and on Mac it's Command. And because Command M will minimize your window, you want to use Command U. So because I'm on Mac, I will use Command U, but if you're on Windows, you can use both. So Command U will insert me a new formula, and I can just start typing. So f of 0 is equal 0. Also, I can type some formula directly into text. And if I select it like this, and now I press Ctrl M or Command U, it will get transformed into the correctly rendered formula for me. Yeah, and when I press enter, I will return back to the formula. Now, if I want to edit the formula, I can of course click on it with my mouse. The source gets focused and I can start typing. But this is a little bit inconvenient if you are not using mouse. If you just want to do it from your keyboard, it sounds impossible because when I move my cursor, it will jump across the formula, so I cannot edit it. But actually it is possible to edit it. The trick is that you place the cursor on one side, say on the right. Now you hold Shift and you press the left button. Source now gets selected and I can update it or return it back. And now when I have this, I can also insert some block formulas. Block formulas are placed on a separate line and they might be bigger if they, for example, contains sums or integrals or some matrix. They will take more space so they don't break lines for you. So I want to write the generic formula. I will now hold also Shift. So Shift Command U or Shift Ctrl M, for example, will insert a block formula on the next line. And I can write the general statement for it that f of n plus 2 is equal f of n plus 1 plus f of n. I can also write the dot here. Now the block formula is placed to the left, but when I leave the editor, it will get centered for me. So these are the block formulas. And also when you want to write something a little bit more complicated, it might be actually more efficient to write it in plain text and then convert it afterwards. And we put some effort into making this nicer. For example, let's say I want to write a1 plus a2 up to an. I can just write it like this. a2 plus, now for dots I will use 3 stars, and now an. Then I will select this and I will convert it with Command U, and it will get converted into this math formula for me. And I can also write it in the format of so from 1 to n, a I is equal to this. And now if I want to convert it into block formula, I can just press again Command Shift U. And it will get re-rendered into this nicer form. I can show you one more example. Let's say I want to typeset binomial theorem. So I will insert it as a block formula. And the theorem states that x plus y for any values of x powered to n is equal to this sum from k equals 0 up to n, where the terms are always n choose k multiplied by x to k and y to n minus k. So I can typeset it like this. And it's fairly quickly when you're familiar with LaTeX. Yeah, also if you like chemistry, there is a special package for chemistry equations. So I will just again type the formula. I will use command CE as chemical equation, and then inside the braces I will write something which should be familiar to people knowing chemistry. So NaOH plus HCl is transform between NaCl plus H2O. And we get nicely looking chemistry equation. Now, of course, when you have these formulas typesetted like this, they are stored as SVG images, so they are loaded, displayed immediately. They are shared between multiple people when they work in the same document, and they can be also selected and copied. For example, I can copy them somewhere inside this document, and I get my formulas here. And of course, if I go here and I modify something, let's change the subscript here to K, it will only change the copy. It won't affect the original formula. Now, when I have this selected, I can also copy it somewhere else. For example, I can copy it to a normal plain text editor, and I paste it here. I will get my formulas in as a plain text in the well-known LaTeX notation. So if you have some LaTeX editor and you want to render this, you can just copy it from OrgPad and you get it for free. I can also copy it to some graphical editor, let's say Pages here or Google Docs, and I will paste it, and it gets pasted as SVG images in this case. So I have my title, so formatting, everything is nicely preserved. So if you are working on some math paper, or you work on some school problem, or you want to write something down, it's really easy to export it from OrgPad to some other program. Or also you can just keep it in OrgPad and combine it with a lot of other information like images, videos, links, uploaded PDFs. Everything can be inserted into OrgPad, which is great. So thanks a lot for watching, and let us know what you think about this feature and how we can improve it further.